When people ask me as president of the Minneapolis Regional Chamber what keeps me up at night, it's the workforce of tomorrow. The fact that we have a huge gap in the number of workers available to us versus the jobs that we know will be here in 2020 and beyond. By 2020, we could be 100,000 jobs short right here in Minneapolis-St. Paul. That's 5 short years.
If we can't figure this out, our prosperity is potentially at risk because we need an effective workforce to propel us into the future.
It is extremely vital that we connect with the Minsky institutions and other colleges and technical organizations, as well as other employers, to build the workforce capability for tomorrow.
What we need is a structure for an ongoing conversation so that we can create approaches which are long-term in nature, structures which will sustain this work on a long-term basis, so these conversations are ongoing.
We're looking at every type of employer, government, so the public sector, private sector, nonprofit sector, to let them know that we're here to help them, because we think that we have a model that will work and is working, and we're very excited about it.
We are proud to be an organization that's a part of this effort, and look forward to working with other entities as we evolve this, and that's the beauty of the collaboration and the partnership.
Diversity and inclusion go hand in hand. The wealth of experience and the wealth of different background that people bring in a more diverse workforce can't be overestimated. The governor and lieutenant governor want us to track and measure and see what works and make sure that we're making progress every year.
It makes the business case for people, but for the region as well. We can't afford to let a substantial part of our population not succeed. And to do that, we need to reach out to those folks who maybe historically have not had the opportunities that others have had, understand the barriers, and then work really hard to remove those barriers. And that's, I think, a major focus and a major opportunity.
I think employers who don't make these changes are really in for some tough times in the future. The key thing for employers now is to start doing this now, to start planning for the future.
I'm optimistic about the fact that our region, when we're faced with challenges, know how to rally together, work across sectors and industries, public with private, businesses with labor, educational institutions, and folks like the Met Council, Hennepin County, and other entities to really put the political will and determination into solving a problem like a workforce shortage issue.
The Workforce Leadership Council is exactly the approach we need to be taking, because we have to put the public and private sector together, first acknowledging the problem, then not admiring it, but taking action to get rid of that problem.